Students of academics and competitive exams of English, today in this lecture 2 part 4 English words and lecture, today we are going to translate the sentences of Hindi based on complex sentence which are especially based on adverb clause. Students, the sentences which were based on adjective clause, noun clause and we have already studied in various previous lectures. Today is the turn in this part 4th. Number 7, adverb clause of comparison. Adverb clause of comparison, we have various conjunctions here. The first combination is as dash 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 as and so dash 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 as. Let's see. वह इतना समझदार है जितना उसका दोस्त. In this sentence, students, we are comparing two things, two persons, he and his friend. Now our translation is he is as wise as his friend is. Sometimes we forget to write is here in the last. Students, whether we write is in the last or not, it will remain adverb clause because is it understood here. Second sentence, उसने कभी अच्छा कार्य नहीं किया है जितना उन्होंने किया था. उसने कभी इतना अच्छा कार्य नहीं किया है जितना उन्होंने किया था. Student, this sentence is negative, but first sentence is positive. A positive degree is other thing, but positive sentence is something different. In negative sentence we don't use as. In negative sentence we use so as. But according to some grammarians we can use as, but according to Martin we should use so in place of as when we compare to adjectives or to adverbs. She has never done her work so well as they did. उसने कभी इतना अच्छा कार्य नहीं किया है जितना उन्होंने किया था. She has never done her work so well. So well, well is an adverb here. Good is an adjective and it is saying something about verb or action. That's why I wrote well, and as will be used as a second part of this conjunction, and after this I wrote they did. We can also leave this sentence at they, but did will be better if we write because it will complete the clause, and in this way we can say in each clause, in each part of the sentence there is a verb. In first part done and in second part did is main verb here. Now our translation is she has never done her work so well as they did. In red color we have written conjunctions and in green color we have written the words related to the conjunctions. Now let's take another example. Then वह आपसे तेज दौड़ती है. She runs faster than you do. We can also write she runs faster than you, but do will make it a perfect clause. Than you do. Students, we can write than you run, but repetition of the same word is not considered well in grammar, so we generally write do. Do will be better than writing verb again. In C part, no less than means से कम नहीं. उसने आपसे कम नहीं कमाया. She earned no less than you did. You did means you earned. As I have already told you, we will not write earned again, so in place of earned I wrote did. She earned no less than you did. After this, a fourth D part is here. Such as is used for we see in this example. उसने वैसे ही किया जैसा आपने निर्देश दिया था. उसने वैसे ही किया जैसा आपने निर्देश दिया था. तो such as is used according to the instruction. Now our sentence is she did such as you instructed. Such as means accordingly. You instructed. Such as we write such as, but we don't give the gap between these two words which are conjunction here. जितना कमाओगे उतना ही खर्च करोगे. Students, after such as new combination is the plus comparative degree space the plus comparative degree. It means there is a gradual rise in both the actions. The more you earn, the more you spend, and we put comma in between. It means that both the actions, both the activities are going parallel. So we write the more in the beginning, and in the beginning of the second part we also write the plus comparative degree. Students, in this adverb clause we use the plus comparative degree, and you should not be confused on watching it. that we should write always the more. We should write the sooner the better. We should write the sooner the better. I mean to say we can use the plus comparative degree. The plus comparative degree. More is not necessary. More is written according to the requirement. This degree may be based on more, based on ER or some other type, but it must be comparative degree. And one more thing is there. We use the compulsorily. Generally we use the before superlative degree, but in such type of gradual rise, we use the plus comparative degree. The sooner he understands, the better it is. Our Hindi is जितनी जल्दी वह समझ जाए उतना ही अच्छा है. The sooner he understands, the better it is. I gave these two examples on the same rule because I wanted to show you that only the more can't do. You can use any comparative degree here. Now let's come to the next group, adverb clause of manner. In this group we have various conjunctions and group of conjunctions. Now let's see a pair of conjunctions. जैसा कि, as, जैसा अनुमान था उसे नौकरी मिल गई. जैसा अनुमान था, maybe this अनुमान may be mine, so I wrote I. You can write according to the sense he or she or anything. As I expected, he got the job. As means जैसा कि अनुमान था. As I expected, as he expected, whatever your subject is. As he expected, he got the job. Now in second group, second part, as if, as though, मानो कि. When we suppose something, but in actual it is not so, then we use as if and as though. Example is वह ऐसे बातें करता है मानो कि वह अफसर हो. He talks as if he were an officer. Because it is an assumption, it's not a reality. That's why I wrote were here and I wrote were in green color because it is related to as if. Student, it's not wrong. Sometimes it's seen that you use was and you use a second form or according to the requirement of the tense and it will do. But this is better. If he talks as if he were an officer because we are assuming in reality he is not an officer. As if and then were. After this, according as is used like such as. According as जैसा कि या के अनुसार. उसने वैसा ही किया इनसी जैसा उनसे कहा गया था. They did according as they were instructed. This is pair of adverb conjunction. They did according as they were instructed. According as is conjunction here, and one more last is here as so. Students, you don't get confused with as or so as. There is a space. So as dash 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 as, but this is as so. It is not so as. It is as so. It is for the result जैसा वैसा. जैसा बोओगे वैसा काटोगे. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. As means your action. So after so there is result. Now we put comma between these two clauses, and finally the sentence is as you sow, so shall you reap. Students, you can use this sentence in various sentences. As you do, so you get. You can use in various ways. Students, now you continue watching RSC classes of English language, and in this way you will get all the conjunctions and part of complex sentence to you. In next lecture we will go the 9th group of conjunctions related to adverb clause. Please share, like and subscribe, and if you have any query or question you can ask and write in comment box. We will try to give you a satisfactory answer. Then please do watch the rest part of this clause. Keep on watching RSC classes of English language and subscribe this channel too. Thanks.